Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. Today I am sharing veg fried rice recipe which is delicious and easy to prepare. Cook 1 cup of basmati rice. Chop little carrots, french beans, capsicum, spring onions. Spring onion leaves, cabbage and garlic. Keep it aside. In a pan, heat oil, add chopped garlic and saute it. Add French beans, carrots, capsicum and spring onions. Cabbage, spring onion leaves, add salt as per your taste and mix. Add 1 teaspoon of Szechuan fried rice masala and mix. Add 2 teaspoons of tomato sauce and mix. Add 1 teaspoon of soya sauce and mix. Cover and let it cook for a few minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of chili sauce and mix. Add the cooled cooked rice. Add half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Mix as shown. Add chopped spring onion leaves and mix. Delicious fried rice is now ready. Do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.